Alright, we're going to do another inequality before getting into systems of inequalities. This time we are given y is greater than or equal to negative 4x plus 5. The first thing we need to create is our border equation, where I just take away my inequality. So I'm really graphing the equation y equals negative 4x plus 5. Alright, just like before, I'm going to go through the same exact process where I plot some points and graph. Alright, so my y-intercept is going to be positive 5. So I go up by 5. Now my slope here is negative 4. When my slope is negative 4, that means I want to go down by 4 units and over 1. Rise over run. So I'm going to continue to do that until I go off the page. So now I can connect my dots. Steep slope. Alright, so now I have to analyze my equation like I did before. This one originally was a greater than or equal to. Because it is an or equal to, as we talked about last week, it is a closed circle situation. And now when it comes to graphing, that means it's going to be a solid line. So I don't have to take my finger and just erase part of the line. So that part's good. But the next part is I have to decide where I'm going to shade. Because I'm graphing an inequality, and once again, I got to find out where on my graph do the x and y values satisfy the inequality. So I pick a tester point. Like I did in the previous example, I'm going to choose 0, 0. It's the easiest one. And I'm going to plug it into my original inequality. Y greater than or equal to, I'm questioning it, negative 4 times 0 plus 5. Well, negative 4 times 0 is just 0. So I'm left with questioning if 0 is greater than or equal to 5. Once again, this is not true. So this part of my graph is not going to be shaded in. Therefore, I'm left with the other side that I'm going to shade in. So another way I could have looked at this is y is bigger than or equal to. The alligator mouth wants to eat the y. When it's greater than, I shade up. I shade above the line. All right, that is graphing inequalities.